Hi and welcome to the channel. For those of you that are new, we're the Schmidt House and we're out here at our property in the hill country this afternoon. It's Sunday morning, let's see, about 11:30, so it's almost lunchtime. We loaded up the skid steer. It's been at the house here for several months. Carrie's been doing work around the house. We got a load of granite gravel delivered here also a couple of months ago, maybe 6 weeks ago, I'm not sure. The cows have been kind of kicking it down, so we want to get that and put it underneath our shed back here in the back so we don't have that white caliche that gets all over the girls' clothes and our clothes, and they have a tendency to play in it. So the granite gravel will be a little bit nicer. And then I think we're going to cook some hot dogs after a while. Just have a pleasant day here at the property. So we'll take you along with us. Okay, so we're going to get this area cleaned up so Carrie can load some granite gravel in here.
Maybe.
You know nothing's ever easy. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll do it. Yep, so you're, wait for a second.
Yeah.
Wiggle on them. It's all cleared out, so Carrie's gonna start loading the granite gravel, make this a little nicer under here. I'll stay right here on the inside of the shed, okay?
Okay, well, we got it all laid down. Looks real nice. And we're gonna get some cooking now, have a little lunch before we head back home this Sunday afternoon.
Wow.
We got some holes in the roof. What did we find when we just came over here a minute ago? What did we have earlier this week? We had some big storms. And when the storms came, look, we got holes in the roof. Man, look at that. There's a bunch of them.
Yeah, it was a little bit big.
Oh wow, all over the place.
Hi, what a little bit big.
Yep. Big pieces. Okay.
That's sad.
Could have been worse, but that's a bummer.
Mommy.
We'll have to come out and fix it somehow. Your sunburn. Okay, well, we finished our little project for today, and we're about to cook some hot dogs on a fire. Carrie's got one going back behind us, and now we're gonna enjoy a nice ice cold beer while the girls play in the air conditioning. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you haven't, like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
Dang it. Drip some